Sometimes it's the little things that can be the most difficult. Previously, we've supported the ability to add currency and percentage symbols by some imaginative SQL tricks. Now with the new Format button, admins and analysts will be able to easily indicate which column should be displayed as a dollar amount or a percentage. Simply click the Format button to see the available options. It's as simple as selecting your choice from the drop-down. You can now save this change to have it hold wherever you use it. This feature is available for both standard data grids and pivot tables.